got into the band, I eagerly followed the musicians around or watched them practice in the town hall or outdoors. I even asked my friends to walk along the beach. We banged potlets and shook plastic bottles with sand in them or cola cans filled with pebbles. We made noises of glee. Little by little, they all got tired of following me around. I knew it was the first time to try out the real deal. I did a few auditions. The first time was a bit stressful. I couldn't get my breath and I started to cry. I just wanted to run home, but the leader was very understanding. He fixed an appointment for the following week. He explained how to relax and do breathing techniques. So I practiced everything he taught me. I went around the house making drum noises, bass noises, and piano sounds. That helped me out. The next time, I had prepared everything. But I didn't play well enough because I was still nervous. But not as much as the first one. I told the leader that I need a bit more time. The third time was a completely different story. I enjoyed it. Then on Saturday morning, I played in front of the whole band and they clapped. The leader said, "Let's welcome Peter to the band. He deserves his place." I was just so happy and I was very proud of myself. They gave me